Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. Over the past many months or so, I've been repeatedly asking, is anyone listening? Well, apparently some peeps are, yes! My colleagues down under in Australia are set to eavesdrop on nature. What? Yep, there's a national network of acoustic recorders that will long-term monitor ecosystems with hundreds of sites around the nation, in the same way that radio astronomy infrastructure listens to the universe. Ecoacoustics listens to the whole environment. What's nature saying? My colleagues are going to measure acoustic energy. How cool is that? It's the study of soundscape ecology. These recorders, 24/7, 365, will shed light on what happens at night when some creatures are awake whilst others are asleep. This fascinating long-term study will most certainly capture rare events. 450 sites across woodlands, wetlands, and arid zones will host permanent sensors. A decade from now, we will know some incredible secrets from simply listening. Wowzer! Citizen scientists will be invited to join, listening for patterns, birds, insects, trees, water, and on, including the energy released from wild weather. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, a soundscape is worth 1,000 pictures. It's time to listen to nature. She's awesome. And get jazzed up. This study will do just that. Yeah, baby. Hashtag love nature. Hashtag love is the solution. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners. So don't be shy. Come on to drreese.com. DRREESE.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on that donate button. Or pick yourself up any number of swell books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, or life, the wonder of it all. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.